Hello, we are unboxing the new MobiScribe Origin, and here is the box that I received, and this is the Origin, and this is the cover that comes with it. So no need of this knife. It's easy zap opener. Oh, there it is. Looks like the shipping was really rugged, so this pen has come out. Looks really good. It's sleek, and it has I guess it's a little button over here, and the tip is really nice. Let's pick this up. Oh, here you go. This is the new MobiScribe Origin, and this is the size of the tablet. I think it fits right good on your coat pocket, and it's really good one. I like it. It's sleek and it's lightweight. So let's see what else is on the package. This is quick start guide, and there's this connector and nothing else. Looks there is no power adapter. Probably got to get charged through our laptop. I guess that's it, nothing in here. So let's get to the Origin. And it has power button on the top right, and this is the backlit button, and it has a port for charging, and it is a USB type C port, and there is a slot for memory card, micro SD, and this is a microphone or a reset button, I'm not sure. Let's check it out. No other buttons on the side, and no buttons to navigate, as in remarkable. Let's turn it on. Oh, there's an indicator which glows green. Starting up. The video was not paused or fast forwarded. This is the real time it takes to load. There you go, it's here. So let's try creating a note. So vertical. Awesome. Response was quite good.